Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video about Gala token, guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price update of Gala token. What's the price changes occur in the Gala token. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, if you are new on my channel, please click the subscribe button right now for more news and updates videos, guys. In this video I'm talking about the Gala price statistics update. First of all, if we talk about today price of Gala token in the market, you can see here that is the last 24 hours update. That is Gala price, Gala today news. 0.106 USD dollar. That is a Gala token right now price. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the changes, the price changes in the last 24 hours, negative 11% occurs in the last 24 hours. And here you can find the lowest highest price of Gala token. Furthermore, guys, you can see the trading volume is about 51% decrease in the market. That's mean that 51% people are now decide to sell. They are going to selling his token, guys. So absolutely they are getting profit. That's why they are designed to sell. But guys, now there's again still opportunity with all of you guys. If you invest in a Gala token right now and you hold to the last of 2021 for 4 months, for 2 months, for 6 months, for a long time, guys. So absolutely I'm sure that you get profit at the last, guys. So again, I recommend for you can see the trade fully diluted market cap is positive 19.08%, guys. Anyways, guys, how do you feel today about Gala token? Please also share your opinion in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe channel.